About simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, emphasizes that true mastery, elegance, and intelligence are not measured by complexity, but by the ability to see clearly and distill ideas to their essence. At first glance, simplicity may seem ordinary or easy to achieve, but in reality, it represents the pinnacle of understanding. Achieving simplicity requires deep insight, careful thinking, and the capacity to separate what is essential from what is extraneous. A simple idea is powerful because it can be easily communicated, shared, and applied. Complexity often hides simplicity, allows ideas to be accessible and impactful. True sophistication is therefore not just about understanding but also about making understanding clear for others. There is a natural aesthetic appeal in simplicity. Just as a clear argument or a concise explanation is intellectually satisfying, simplicity evokes a sense of harmony and balance. Sophistication is not measured by how many words, steps, or concepts are used but by how effectively the essence is captured. Simple principles often have the broadest application. When ideas are stripped to their core, they can be applied to multiple situations. Sophistication is revealed when one principle can explain or guide understanding across a wide range of contexts. The university is part of what makes simplicity power and profound. Simplicity often appears effortless, but is it usually the result of careful thought, analysis, and refinement? Just as a well-crafted essay or argument looks natural and well-crafted, it has often gone through a process of elimination, adjustment, and deep reflection. Sophistication is hidden in this effortlessness. This quote can be applied to thinking, decision-making, and life itself. People often overcomplicate problems by focusing on irrelevant details or seeking flashy solutions. True sophistication, however, comes from identifying the essential and acting or thinking with clarity. Simplicity allows the mind to focus the message to resonate and the outcome to be effective. It is also a reminder that human intuition often aligns with simplicity. People naturally recognize beauty and truth when they are expressed clearly. Complexity for its own sake can be confusing, while simplicity conveys confidence, wisdom, and elegance. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, is a celebration of clarity, depth, and mastery. It shows that true sophistication does not lie in adding more, but in knowing what is essential and removing everything that is unnecessary. Whether in thought, communication, or problem solving, simplicity reflects profound understanding, aesthetic balance, and practical effectiveness. In essence, sophistication is not complexity disguised as intelligence. It is the ability to seek out true complexity and express the core truth in a way that is clear, elegant, and enduring.